church. The ceremony's open. We're taking a picture of him.
Come on, Louis.
Louis, you get up there too. There we go. The full dress.
We can take one at home with the hat.
There. Take, put your hat on now, and we'll take one over here with you.
Stop down here.
Put it back on. Put it back on.
She wants to put it back on?
I think she wants to keep this on to go into her granny, but she can keep it.
Oh, she can put it back on. I just want to take a picture of your hat. Where's the bishop? I wonder.
Bishop Cardinal.
He's in talking
He's
to
in
the
talking
teachers.
Cardinal.
You go and get him out.
I go to get him. They said he's coming out to meet
Now
the
he goes
kids.
out the side door.
He does.
He'll be right back. He'll be right front.
There, he just went up along the side.
Did he just now?
Yeah. Okay. Here. Take a picture. Wait a minute. Marianne.
We can take that one out.
Hey, Derek. Hi. It's Derek, Mary's oldest son. There's Donald. Hiya, come on. Hi.
I'll take.
I will take one outside.
I want to take a picture. I want to take a picture.
There they are.
Simon, please go up and sit here.
There's Barry.
Barry! There you are. Ow! This thing's getting battered all over on me. I got.
Oh, I see. Yeah, there's no hurry. Take your time.
There's
We
a
can
whole
move away.
family.
This is a
Can the
movie,
fa-
is it?
Yes. Can the?
Oh, I see. I was
and-
talking and moving. We shouldn't be all stuck stiff like that.
Do you mind if I get the rest of the family in? Because this is
Oh,
going.
of course,
This is
yeah,
going back
where are
to.
they?
This is going back to Bishop Cooney in Detroit.
Of course. States. Oh. You live in Ireland. Accent, all right. You get them all in now. Come in.
We live in the divided states.
Get Donald in there.
No. Well, I
There
know
we
what we're
go.
talking about, but we don't need to stand stiff for this.
No, it's all movement.
Ah, I was in Lourdes, yeah. Oh, wow. Louis, yeah. That's your
Did my husband
yes.
Bishop
in Lourdes, please God, and all the
Cardinal?
Yeah, me.
Your Eminence.
That we buy, yes, I do.
Your Eminence, did my husband tell you we have a bishop down the street that lives just a few miles from here?
He did, this is the one you were telling me about. Oh, I did, yes.
Bishop Cooney.
Yes, Cooney, and his people are from Mullavan.
Say hello to him.
Oh, I will indeed. Oh, don't say you have sound on this. Yes. In that case, I send greetings to Cardinal Sciocca, whom I know well. Used to meet him in Rome at various synods there and so on. And also to Bishop Cooney, whose granny came from Mullavan. Okay, God bless you all.
She couldn't be nicer, Tom Ryan. Well, the Pat and me just say you was going to start with me married.
Oh, boy.
Like, oh, I'm sure your granny. You're just beautiful, darling. God take care of you. Let me see you. Oh. Sure, I didn't do it for me that you wouldn't be. Sure, he did. You're beautiful.
Did you look good?
Just a minute, Barry. The cardinal was hugging his arm round me and he was hugging me.
There we go.
They were right. Now, if I had time to fly up to the Yes, he hasn't yet. Hi.
Mary, I got that on recording.
I'm talking that way too.
Voice?
Oh, you showed him.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Well, Miriam's upstairs. They went upstairs, so we can go up now in a minute.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Got to get this. Listen, Lord. Oh no 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 no.
Yes, Jimmy was saying I need you, your special sandwiches.
Have you?
I want to get that.
Is there a cap for that thing there?
There is it. It's on there.
Because I feel like a film star with that thing.
Well, here.
You are.
Like one.
Hey, I didn't come here to take your. I got to take this beautiful table, Grandma.
You used to hold up the hands when they didn't want hands.
Take out the garden.
Oh, you didn't see the cardinal shy away from the
Oh,
camera.
he's real.
He went.
No.
You could go up. I don't know, but I'm not waiting. I'm sorry.
Where's that candle? I didn't get it with the candle lit.
Right, thank God, everything went lovely, because you worried the night before, and I wouldn't worry everything once the night before.
Now listen, Barry,
I
I
hope,
think that's
I
you
want to go.
and you can fill up again. There's your job.
Well, the dresses, they were just lovely, now they really were, some years I thought they were terrible.
Oh.
My three-body belt and all, and
Hello.
my nose is very sharp in them, when I look through myself in that.
It is not.
You got it. She's trying to get me to talk.
That's the best picture I've ever taken of you, Louis.
Your camera's not here.
There's your coat.
Gonna take my picture now. Just,
Oh,
it's not going when the red light's on.
Toshi, Colleen, Donna. Talk on log bra.
anytime you see the red light, everything's going.
And it's a lovely day.
I got that. You're a very bold girl.
Jim, do you have a camera? I don't know, maybe I left it up in the bed.
No. You hadn't.
Way up there, we get a photograph on it. We get it in your big coat. Barry, look in your daddy's big coat.
Dad, you're being
pocket.
filmed.
Sure is coming as hell.
Louis.
Okay, Daddy.
Now let me get my good shade out. Good shade stuff.
All my side of mine are all bad sense.
That's me bad shade. You come over this side. We'll have a wee bit of hair on that side.
No. Right, we may have lost that camera, would we? No, I don't think so.
You either give it to Dawn.
You're on candid camera, smile.
Alright, sure, I'm just,
Louis,
Okay.
I know, Laura, I'm this side.
wait, don't mess up.
I'm this side, Laura, I'm really...
Wait, one more, Louis.
One more.
Hey, man.
Well, you look like Al.
Huh?
You look like Al.
Just one,
Look in the
two.
bottom of the bed.
Well, that's very near, Jim.
Wait, wait.
You ring up that.
Where did Mary go?
Mary, look to see if she can find her camera.
We
Oh.
want Laura in this one. Laura's in London with Marion.
Yeah, it's in the
Hi,
front.
come on. Come on,
The
Mary.
door's open.
In this one. Come on in this one. I could have stand at the back and you stand this way. That's fine. Yeah, get in a bit. You're always with your head stuck in the middle.
Come on, Jim, if you're coming, because I just have your head. I just had your head
I
there.
want it in the picture
I
too.
just had your head. Just hold on there for a moment till I get it.
She's taking everything.
No, you're right. Here go. Here goes.
Right. Right, take one with ours, Louis.
Right. Is that the end of that now, Laura?
No, it's not the end. It's, I
Yeah, I
have no
know
more
what it
flashes.
is.
Oh, you've no
You
more
let them.
flashes.
I have no more flashes.
Yeah. Yeah. That's.
Yeah, wait till I move it on.
She'd make a wee chat.
You're not the only one that's gone. You're not the only one, Mary.
Oh, she's gone.
Oh, she's gone too.
The flash.
The flash.
Well, it must be the
Um,
box.
Wait,
Did
just.
you put it back? No, wait a minute, your daddy's.
Let me touch.
There's no lights on. Don't be.
No.
There's a flash.
Excited, a wee bit excited, like.
Flash is built in in that wee camera.
Yeah.
She take a wee
This
sit
is a sweet
Don't
thing.
be.
Slap it. It's out.
It won't go.
No, we're away. Just here.
Smile.
Look at the birdie.
Oh,
Mary, you're over a wee bit.
yeah, but I wanted Laura in there.
I know,
fine.
take.
I'm eating
What?
just
Will
the
I
egg.
get
Auntie
No,
Peggy's
no,
taking
no,
the
no,
video
no,
now.
but she has me. Is that all right? She has me.
Lovely,
That's grand.
lovely. Don't want to be taking
Thanks,
half.
Betty.
I don't want to be taking half of.
My house.
I don't want to be
It all
taking
depends
half.
what half you're taking.
No,
I
just
see one down
the two each side. You get inside. Just move over this way, just like
you.
that. No,
You're Miriam a wee bit.
that's all. So we got a nice,
The nice way hanging off your Miriam on one side, you know? Right?
lovely.
Give me,
Grand
give me
job.
one in here.
I get one.
Hello. Hi, Barry.
Barry, say something to your cousins in America. He says, I said too much already.
See, people don't want to get in pictures, but whether they know,
That's it.
still.
Oh, okay. All right.
There.
One full length or close up?
Near me.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Huh?
There it is. It's on. There's Sandy Ann. What's your pig?
Uh-oh.
Pig.
I get you. I want to see that fire burning.
Peat or turf.
I see there, I showed that to Daddy. That's a turf fire.
That's Ann's turf.
It's getting dark out there. No, she's.
The teapot.
We're gonna get
Oh, the teapot in front of the fire. I gotta take that.
we very seldom we ever see a nice turf fire in America. We never see one. There's no turf. in
Well, I
America.
built it
We-
up for you, Peggy.
We
I built it up for you,
yes.
Peggy.
You know what we burn? We burn logs at home. Wood trees.
Oh, yeah, we burn a lot of logs.
We have a lot of wood
We
out
have,
there too.
we're out in the garage, we have a place for the logs, and we have the length of this room now.
Of course, Mother, I'll tell you, the turf wouldn't last too long with the way that
She
you
she
burn
throws
them
it
out.
on. Yeah,
She
yeah.
throws them on and they last no length.
You're a good stoker.
She's a good stoker.
But I don't drink, or I don't smoke, and I
Peggy,
don't do
are
anything
you
else.
up to
And I
tricks
just
there?
said-
I am.
Well,
You're up to tricks.
I love a good fire, and I want a warm room.
That's the pleasures you have,
And that's
right?
the place.
Well, you're entitled to that. You are.
I think I am.
I'd say now you're on the air, Mother. You're on the air. You haven't-
Say hello to my
You
father.
don't stand a chance.
Auntie Ann, say hello to Dad.
Say hello to Francis.
Francis.
And say we were talking about him.
Hello, Francis.
And we were talking about him much this evening. We were
That's true.
talking, and we're still waiting for
And
this
I'd
little,
like to meet
this
you
trip.
again.
Child.
Yeah, don't be surprised that Francis might get on a plane and surprise everybody.
Well, he'd be very welcome.
He would indeed.
Yes.
Well, he's hearing that now. I'll tell you.
Just be my hair is so
Maybe Auntie
red.
Ann is on it, is she?
Look, take
Oh,
it.
Auntie Ann's on it.
Take
Yeah.
it. Don't show those when you go back. This
I'm going to show them to my father.
My hair
Yeah.
is so dreadful.
He knows.
How many cups?
I like that coat.
Oh, it's very comfortable.
Yeah. It is. It's very nice. There. There you go. Brewery. And this is Friary, Dominican Friary. The church where Grandma goes. There's Daddy with the car coming this way. I'm going into the Rosary Center now to take pictures. Here. This is a statue of Our Lady at the Rosary Center by Grandma's house. Full-length statue.
wasted.
Wasted.
Well, you can see me walking around the shrine anyway. You have no sound, have you, no?
Oh yes, definitely have sound.
The sound is it, is there?
Yes, there's sound. There, Father, turn the light on.
It's a good site. The only thing with this is you cannot play it on Irish TV
Oh no, it's different.
because the revolutions are different in this country and America.
You get it, you see it advertised.
But it's pretty expensive.
Can you give somebody a blessing over TV? I was going to say, I want you to give a blessing to my children. I don't know if you can do that.
Oh, you give a blessing anyway.
Yeah.
Every time we go home, Father sends a blessing.
Okay. There you go.
You don't want to be retaping over
I know.
something else.
But where did the sound come in?
The sound is picked up through the microphone.
Laura. Where did Catherine go? Come here. Come here.
We're sending this to knock, so you gotta get
There's,
in here.
there's, come out from behind those roses.
This is,
That's Catherine and Laura.
this
And
is
this is
Margaret here that
Geraldine.
took all my money.
That's right.
Those are, what, are you Father's right hand?
Blessed by the hour, the hour of the hour Savior, stands in there. May God restrain me humbly pray. Do the Lord bring to them the old spine of our God. Put Satan down to hell. And we take all the other wicked spirits, the one in the sword, for Holy Father.
Collins.
Very pleased to meet you.
Oh, very nice.
I'm sister Laura's brother. Laura's brother.
He's a nephew of Tom Brannigan. And your nephew?
Yes, no, Tom Brannigan.
Like we said, one they got brother.
This is the lady right here, Pryor. She's the one that does all the cooking. So.
I have a feeling I have a similar problem. A similar problem.
So we're going
I
back.
want to bring my nice habit down with me. I have a lovely habit in the house. I'll throw on this old habit of a wet day.
There's Father.
We get Father Heenan to explain the murals or the pictures to us. He had
That's a lovely, that's a beautiful thing.
the last time.
That's a sassel for that, but that's St. Dominic receiving the rosary from Our Lady. And then
Dominic. And there's St. Dominic. And there's St. Catherine. And that's St. Dominic receiving the rosary from Our Lady. Say hello. It's about time you came over. I know, but it's about time you came over to see us.
We were over last night. And
You-
the night before, you were out.
By French counterintelligence agents.
And she photographed this Celtic cross that I did in Matches up in Knoxwell.
Oh,
And
yeah.
it's still in it. But she just took a photograph of the Celtic cross
Yeah.
in the windowsill as it was. So it's still there.
And I
We
still,
still got the camera, but it hasn't been used, I don't think, in 3 years, 4 years, 2 years.
what's that?
A rudder movie camera.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta
Hey.
make mine to get you that flash.
That-
See, I don't take a lot of photographs.
Your-
so
your
it's nice to
favorite
have a
perch.
Like over England.
Hendy legs.
No, I tell Cal, that's Grandma's favorite perch.
There is one on this.
Gotta give it to Rosie, and Rosie got one to fit her cat.
Gotta get Laura's icebox.
She had no need for, she could have.
There we go.
You get a picture of us, or a picture of the flowers?
I'm getting a picture of both. Grandma would have a, Grandma'd have a fit.
We might as well talk to Cal while we're on the thing. See how small Mam's getting, Cal.
Don't mind them all here.
She's standing in a hole where there used to be a rosebud. The geranium used to be there. Oh yeah, just as it was then.
Amazing how things.
I said, Mom would have a fit if I took a picture of her and didn't take a picture of her flowers.
Oh my goodness, no, take one of these. No, it's a day this year I want these dogs.
I hope and pray to God not.
I talk a long time to you, Cal, but I can't. I just finished a big bowl of trifle, and we had some pudding, and we had a big fry, and all the things you don't like.
Don't mind them, don't mind them.
Where's that cross, Eric?
See it up in the top?
Where?
In the window.
I
You'd
gotta
have
see
to-
it.
You'd have to go to the gate to see it.
No, I wouldn't. I got news for you. I don't have to go to the gate. Come here, Eric.
He says this thing here.
Did you see what I did?
It's just some full flower.
Yeah, right, okay, that's
There.
I know.
A lot of fertilizer to keeps them going. That's what I got yesterday. Three different colours.
Get my squeaky shoes?
Oh, quiet you and your squeaky shoes.
You won't be in any of these, Peggy.
I'm not in anything.
No, you would already get you in some of them?
Have to get you out.
Where'd your mother go?
The runners under the door.
She's just
She's freezing.
looking after the
I
flower.
got you. Okay. I won't make you come out.
Okay, here's, stand where you are. Stand there, just stand.
Come
Your bad driver, he missed you.
on. Hush up. Okay, that's the tourist center in town. This is looking down one of the main streets. There's a courthouse. That's where they have all the trials between the north and south. And one last picture. Stick your head out, Charlie. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Picture of the Greyhound. The key. Carlingford Lock. There's a boat that's in. There's a big machine.
Stands and we were coming round, and there was a ship in that wasn't in the other day, so I just went down to see what it was.
Right, right.
And the ship was from Hamburger.
Oh.
Yeah.
Candy camera.
They say the only one I didn't get a picture of, it's understandable, is Louis, and I didn't ask.
No, you didn't like it. Jimmy.
4 o'clock, 4:15.
There.
Oh, there's my baby
There.
sister.
Kathleen.
Yeah. And we are taking the budgie home with us. Is it okay if we take the budgie? Huh? Put him in your Aunt Peggy's pocket. We put some biscuits in the pocket and put the budgie in the pocket.
We couldn't take Holly anywhere, could we?
Huh?
Oh, gosh, no.
I'll tell you what we do. Can we take the little dog
Why?
next door?
I can feed him in America.
Who's
In a
that?
Cage. Why not?
Is that your dog that's next door that does all the barking? Whose dog is that? What's his name? Sweep. The chimney sweep.
What's his name?
Holly.
Holly Lolly.
Holly? That's Karen's little birdie, right? Oh boy, he's talking to me. Oh, he's having a fit. See?
You're gonna wave into the camera, do that. Then you'll see yourself on television.
Do you want to be on TV? Huh? I should have taken your brother when he was here before he went away.
Okay, replay it, show him back.
There's your daddy. Hey.
Never
Say hello,
cha-
Jimmy.
Never changed in 10 years.
There. Now we're gonna get you right there. Even Kieran got on that.
That one is Ronnie.
No, thank you. Excuse me.
Big old shiny,
No,
shiny.
I don't even like the camera. No.
There you got her. I got. Yeah. It's Mom's garden. We're on our way back to Shannon. Daddy making the bed.
This is our B&B. Beast and the Beauty. Or I mean bed and breakfast.
He's the beast and I'm the beauty.
And
Look at the beautiful niter downs there and big quilts.
look at that.
I wanted to buy some, Daddy wouldn't let me. Look at that.
Real thick, beautiful. Goose
Yeah.
feathers. It,
Next time I come to Ireland, I
this
want
is
to buy
the
some.
doghouse, this is the spare.
Yeah, look at this is. Yeah.
This is, you want to take a picture of Jimmy's shower?
Oh yeah. Hey, Jim, how about this? Look at that. A corner shower. That's our bathroom in Ireland. Whoever said Ireland's backward. Okay, we're by Bunratty Castle. This is where we're eating. It's called Dirty Nellie's. The lady where we're staying said it's a real good place. Oh, yeah, it's got the Irish blessing there. Let's see what it says.
That's when the king was mad at the group in the castle. He threw them out and they went to Dirty
May
Nelly.
the road rise up to meet you.
May the wind be
Always
always
at your back. And may the sun shine warm upon your face. The rain fall soft upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand. That's nice. Oh, yeah, it means it's welcome. There we go. Head to the restaurant where we're going to eat our dinner. Okay, and there's Bunratty Castle. I'm taking this inside the restaurant. There she is, sitting at the table. It says reserved. For us, we're going to eat. There's the bar. Hi, Pa.
This is a Pan Am 310 minibus,
We're on our way home.
Peggy bus. The reason it's leaning this side is we got so much stuff with us. It's leaning this way.
Going outside. Hoping to get some pictures as we leave. We're pulling out.
Beautiful day at Shannon.
Sun is shining, it's gorgeous, the weather's terrific.
My name is Audrey Wilkinson, and I'm your purser in first class.
There goes nothing. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, take your place. Get his home safe.
Oh, new little baby. Take the one in my rear and you're dead.
That's just what I got right there. I got.
Should we do a jig or something? Dad says with this moving pictures, you gotta be moving. You can't just.
Yeah.
Stand
Well, would you kindly move into the kitchen a little more?
We're moving in the kitchen.
Bag out of your way.
Yeah, they don't want the bag lady. Okay.
That's fine with me.
Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it in the VCR and see how it's coming out. There we
Before
go.
you run
Yeah.
miles and miles of pictures, yeah.
Yeah.
Good idea.
How many kitchens have you sat in and had tea in your lifetime?
Counting Ireland?
Probably a lot of them in
I
Ireland. huh?
gained 10 pounds in Ireland in kitchens alone.
Just in kitchens?
Just in kitchens alone.
Oh, they never give you just tea.
No.
They always get
Always
have
tea
tea
and
and
cakes.
bread and
It's
cakes.
the
and-
worst in Sligo. I mean, Una fixed everything. She had beautiful cakes and pies. Well, I take that back. No, Annie Ann was always baking something. She had fresh brown bread. Then when she found out that I loved it, I had it every night. Every morning. Oh, look,
Well, you
Cecilia,
were there
got
for a
brown bread.
That's buddy.
What do we got here?
Yeah, this is the infamous refrigerator that's, how old is this thing and still
It's
working?
our first refrigerator.
Yeah.
Forty-four,
They probably don't
45
make them.
years.
They probably don't make them as good as that one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's our original refrigerator and our original stove.
Stove, yeah, they don't make
40,
them.
must be about 44
Would you?
years old.
Yeah.
Joey, come here. Oh, go get me the hairbrush. Can't get you on video looking like that. Gross.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Kathy.
Mr. Congeniality.
Thank you, Karen.
Well, here, they made it through the ice.
He's gonna.
Oh, wiggle. Huh? That's right.
Oh, he's really good with those guys.
Kathleen.
Yeah.
I was waiting for my Bless you.
Last pictures I have of him, he's falling off the refrigerator.
Yeah, he's jumping off.
Jumping off. That's
Frankie, can you wave?
What are you gonna do now? Are you gonna cut the cake?
Francis. Frankie.
60.
Superman.
You look. You're gonna sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
You ready for a ponytail?
He's down here. It's long, yeah, it's long.
Gotta get it. Here.
Yeah, look at his little curls.
Little like.
See, there he goes. Sings down to here. Almost down.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Crowley. Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord.
Kim, you can blow him out again. Light off. Light him.
Bet you Frankie can blow him up there.
Okay.
John.
Good.
Come on, pretend you're
Hello, Marianne. Okay, there's Teresa and Paul
Kathleen.
and
Get it out, Frankie.
One more time.
Cece and Kathleen and Katie
And Celia and Marianne.
Francis.
Hey,
Get
Rob.
Marianne the door.
Francis.
Here we are.
Marianne, where are you? Okay. Marianne. Okay.
go? Who else is missing?
Eileen.
Vincent? Marianne?
Allison.
Take Vincent too.
Yeah, get Vincent. Oh, we've got Allison. Allison.
Hello. Fine. Oh, thank you. You look great too.
That's okay, she can get the video and I'll try to get.
Caroline. If I can remember in front of that camera one more time. Nice to see you too. Oh, that was so nice. I'd love to be able to come along this time, but I can't take a dog in Egypt. My husband's brother's having a surprise birthday party. And the brothers have not been able to Mom, I'm taking here, quite a number of years, so we have to go there and just plan way ahead of time. But I had quite a bit of time.
And 3 more coming.
3 more coming. By July we'll have 3 more. Yeah, and we've got the big.
You're the one that tells me.
Christina, wave to the camera. Makes me cry.
I said I We got Hyper over here. Always gets me and Kathleen mixed up. And he always calls her everybody and I'll say Marianne goes up. Yeah.
The only thing is he pays attention to the baby very well because there's always a baby.
Wash them in cold water and lay them out. And oh no, I'd never said one of those. No, wash them in cold water. I like. Come on. Nice and soft, so they don't spoil it. Listen, we are supposed to be guardian angels. Please, come on. We're going to guardian angels.
Ready? We get a smile. You're on one taping and one still.
I think I missed my call.
Karen, do you have the cover off of that?
I think so.
We're doing a moving and a still picture.
Open.
Are we doing? There, it's ready. Okay.
I think I missed my calling in life.
Location and social.